Bruchim Abayim, welcome everyone. Every Wednesday we try to learn a little bit from the Heilig Rebbe Elimelech from Lejensk. So Chusi Yagaleinu Mokli Solomon. This week's Parshas, Parshas Shlach, we read in the book of Numbers, V'lisim Elahar, that there were people, they went up the mountain, that when the spies went up the mountain, we see the Talmud tells us that Abraham called the temple a mountain. The sages say it's not like Abraham who called the temple a mountain, or not like Isaac who called it a field. This is a hint to the two temples that were destroyed, the first and second temple. That's why Moses says, go up to the mountain, you should fix the mountain, that if you do everything right, then the temple will never be destroyed. Of course, we know, it's easy to understand, that's not what happened. The first two temples were destroyed, and we're looking forward to the third temple, not one built by mere human hands, as many people imagine, but the third temple, like in Ezekiel's vision, that's already in heaven, that is going to come down when God decides. And all the nonsense, just like the Mapilim after the Miraglim, who think they could actualize eschatology prematurely through their own works. This is something the prophet Jeremiah warned about, and we see it here already, here in Parshas Shlach, in the book of Numbers. So please, let's be humble and wait patiently for God to take care of the eschatology, and we hope and pray that that should come very soon, perhaps today, if we listen to God's voice. Thank you for watching. God bless. Please like, share, and subscribe, comment, and we'll see you later.